Hello, I'm Luke, and this is Nature Reels. It all starts at the base of a tree. A giant colony of carpenter ants has formed, seemingly overnight with the warmer temperatures, and the winds are blowing strong, the sun is out, and the temperatures increase, creating a great activity among the ant colony. There's a lot to be done, and for this colony, there is no time to waste. The colony comes together and begins to remove debris from around the nest. And it can be very hard work, and it's very easily to get distracted and pick up something else. But the hard work must continue and is a non-stop process on a daily basis. And so myriads of ant hours are set into motion to get the job completed. But this is just one of many facets in their life as they send out scouts to hunt for food among the giant tree. The nests lie far, far below, but do you think that stops them? And if we had to do the same, it would be like scaling multiple skyscrapers on top of each other, which is quite a feat for these amazing creatures, the carpenter ants. So thanks for watching, and this is Luke, your host from Nature Reels.